Let me show you how to take a screenshot on your Nintendo Switch 2. Also, I'll show you basically how to take a video recording as well. So basically of what you have played basically. So if you want to take a screenshot, this actually is a screenshot button as you need to use. So as you see, once I press it, basically as you see, screenshot gets taken. So you see, it's that easy. So again, this screenshot button. Also, for example, if we press the screenshot button for maybe like 3 seconds, so you see, simply keep pressing it, and also it will actually take a video of the last 30 seconds that you actually played. So again, you can, this console essentially remembers what you actually did on the screen for the past 30 seconds, and it essentially was recording the video at all times, and basically once you hold this, it actually will save that 30-second clip essentially. And then if you actually want to access your screenshots over here, basically on the main screen, you have this gallery over here, so you see this album. So this is where we actually need to go. So if I go over here, as you see, all my screenshots are basically over here. And if I want to basically see them, so I can simply click them. Also, I can press this plus button over here to like full screen essentially, so you can see. Also, you can see I can basically swipe here as well, and also see my video recordings here as well. So you see basically all this over here. So you see, it essentially was recording basically the past 30 seconds of my playback, and again, so this is where you can get these. So then, and if you want to share these, you actually have to upload essentially these to the like your Nintendo account. So go over here on the upload settings, so choose your account, and basically okay, so make sure to enable this automatic upload essentially here then, and basically it will simply upload all those videos you have taken, all the screenshots basically, if you actually enable this function over here. So you see, yep, basically what it says. And again, you will be able to simply go to your your online store, basically maybe from a phone or computer, and then you can basically see all those videos and maybe send someone them as well. Anyway, good luck.